part is living in the jungle, because when you go to Kana, Bandhavgarh, Ranthambore, you travel during the day, you're out. And you don't get the actual feel of the jungle. And especially the night sounds,
alive.
The alive.
It comes alive.
It comes alive. And there's total silence, and you suddenly hear the elephant trumpet, you suddenly hear the birds calling. And waking up to the sound of the birds, I think that was the icing on the cake.
I'm a bird lover. For me, it was a paradise. The variety of birds, the colors, and basically, I think our drivers and guides were really good.
Very good. Their sighting was excellent, particularly owls.
Owls, even the small birds.
Yeah.
I don't know how they saw it, and of course the pitta, my favorite bird.
Yeah.
Chavez was very, very knowledgeable. He could spot while driving. He could spot the birds. Was something amazing. We are with the binoculars, not driving, and 4 of us, and we couldn't sight it, and he could sight it.
And the highlight of the trip was we were able to experience Parvati firsthand, and it was just clear that why she is the most famous and the photogenic tiger of the Corbett National Park, because we were with her for almost 1 hour and she was standing as close as 5 feet to our jeep, and yet she was absolutely calm, no restless movement, no agitation, no aggressive behavior, and we had the most amazing time of our lives with the tiger.
Place he had parked it is exactly the path that she took and came out at. She came out, walked away from our jeep, turned around and walked towards our jeep, and she was literally 2 feet away from our jeep, just looking at us, and then walked around our jeep and went back inside.
I think I've improved a little. Thank you, Shashank. But no, like he makes sure that he adds information to every sighting, say whether it's where a bird's actual habitat is, or what a bird eats, or what the behavioral instincts are of animals. That kind of information makes like a normal safari fun. Like you just go anywhere with anybody and chalo dekho tiger dekh liya, ye dekh liya. But getting information while you're seeing stuff while on safari adds a lot of fun to it.